Hello everyone, this is Rajneesh and I welcome you all to another video on analysis of the trades taken for the day. So today is 8th of May 2024 and the day is Wednesday, and today is an expiry for Bank Nifty weekly. As for the analysis for the Bank Nifty, today we had a gap down. So today we had a gap down for a Bank Nifty of gap down of 180 points of gap down we had. And yesterday we had a very huge downtrend from yesterday. A very beautiful rally we had seen, and the closing also we had seen in the very bottom near the days low only the pricing has closed for the Bank Nifty. And today in the opening, what we were anticipating, we were not anticipating again a downtrend for Bank Nifty, because just because we had a gap down open and made a very bullish Marubozu candle crossing the almost touching the previous day close. Almost it was just about to close the previous day close, and the very second day it has breached the previous day close also, the second candle. I'll just zoom it around. Okay, this is perfect. So this has already just breached the previous day close. On the very first candle itself, somewhere around here, what I had done, I had shorted 48,100, somewhere around this level. 48,100 PE, 90 quantity I have shorted. Because it was a very first candle. In previous videos also have explained, whenever we enter on the first trade, there will be a premium imparity and premium adjustments will be there, and moreover in gap up and gap down, that imparity will be very high. Premium imparity will be high in first couple of minutes. So I entered a short trade over here on this 49,100 PE short. And after the close of this first candle and the very second candle, it was made a very bullish candle crossing this previous day close. And on this candle, I entered 49,200 CE. Let me just confirm, is it 200 CE? Yes, it is 49,200 CE. On the multiple, first is 48,100 PE. I entered 48,200 CE, 45 quantities. Next, and again 15, 15, 15. So totally it was 90 quantity on buying and 90 quantity on the selling. Total 12 lots. So what had happened immediately? The Bank Nifty reversed from here. It made a bearish candle. I kept on stacking over here, here, and here this level. And on the very this third candle, Bank Nifty tried to make a bullish candle, but reversed with crossing the first 5 minutes candle low, and the first SL was hit. First SL was hit on 180 quantity, 12 lots. So this was the first long trade, CE, bullish trade what we had taken. First trade SL hit. Second trade what I done. So I thought yes, Bank Nifty is again continuing the downtrend and it might go for another 200-300. Because see, this was the 48,160. It was a major support for this one, resistance for this one. 48,168. It tried to breach the 48,168 and took support near the previous day close, and it reversed. So that will go short on this candle because prices could not sustain on the higher side and it reversed. I entered short on this candle. Second trade. So as we can see here, we exited this 90 quantity of 48,200 CE what we have bought, and 48,100 PE what we had shorted. It is also closed. Total 180 quantity or the first trade. First trade it is closed. Second trade immediately 48,100 PE 90 quantity, 15, 15, 15, 45, and another 60. So totally 150 quantities. 150 quantities we entered here. On this candle, first 90 quantity 48,100 PE, 90 quantity slowly somewhere around this candle we entered another 15, 15, 15, and 15 quantities. Till here we entered this quantity, and we could see this long and long total 150 quantity. Second trade 150 quantity 48,100 PE. I'll just zoom it some more. As you can see, the long wigs on the bottom side, the bullish hammer candle, and this is also one bearish hammer candle is. See, this depicts that the prices from the bottoms are taking very good support. Though it tried to go down, and from the bottom, heavy buying pressure was there, and it closed with the bullish Marubozu and bearish Marubozu candle. And the third on this, immediately after entering this candle, on the second, third, fourth candle, again the SL got hit on the top side. Prices took support on this candle immediately. There was no candle closing below this candle again. It took and it took his SL got hit on this one. This is the second trade. We got SL hit for 150 quantities. Second trade 48,100 PE. So what we thought again, the prices are taking support on the bottom. We'll enter long. We entered long on this trade again. And here this time the quantity was after this 150 quantity got SL got hit. We bought 48,100 CE 90 150. So it was first 90, 15, 15, 45. So totally 180 quantities we have bought. From here to here it was 90 quantity, and here it is 90 quantity. So again on this candle, somewhere around I guess in this candle we bought 90 quantity, and somewhere around this candles and all 90 quantity here slowly stacking 15, 15, 15 we get it, and total 90 quantity is there. The long side it was 48 100 CE. Let me just confirm 48 100. Yes, it was 48 100 CE. So this is the third time it tried to breach on the top side, and first time it was here, second time it has tried to breach here, second time. So entered the C, and again the SL got hit here, somewhere around on this candle, or I'm not sure on this candle whether this candle. Let me just confirm. It was 10.4, 10.4, 10. Yes, around this candle itself. 10.1. This is the third trade. 180 quantity. Call side. SL hit. So by 10.5 we hit our portfolio SL. Due to this erratic move of the Bank Nifty, SL got hit on the call side, put side, and again on the call side. Three trades went against our favor, and we hit our portfolio SL, and prices even crossed above the our market level. We had kept our portfolio SL for 25,000, and even the price moved at 27,692 plus the brokerage. So we closed for the day, and there was no further trades for that one. So such things have become very quite common for Bank Nifty for erratic moves. But only thing our discipline can only help us survive in this kind of markets. See, there is no clear direction after that. Only after that we take our SL on the fourth attempt. See, first attempt it tried to go long, second attempt it tried to come down, third attempt it tried to went up, and again fourth attempt it tried to go down. On the fourth attempt, Bank Nifty moved and it made 100 150 points move here. And from there again immediate very bounce. Yeah, whole day it was in a range, complete range one day. See, whenever we see a long trending day, I had mentioned it in a couple of my videos also. Long trending day, next day is either reversal or range bound day. See, why we expect this reversal? See, whenever we see fall of 800,000 points of fall in the Bank Nifty or Nifty, we see 500, 600 points fall. See, we see profit booking from on the lower ends. We see abrupt buying and closing of position, which could take 2, 300, 400 points on the upside. From there, it might consolidate or wait for some 2, 3 days and again get rejected. So this is one scenario we see. And second thing, second day will be range bond day or range bond day. See, this is the typical example of this range bond day. How much do we see? How much do we see for this one? 400 points, 373 points we see for the Bank Nifty. This is a range bound day, typical range bound day. What is the usual range? 400 to 600 points for the Bank Nifty. It has not even covered the daily range. 400 points also we didn't cover. So this is a typical range bound day. Range bound day. So here I was expecting reversal for first trade. Second trade I thought it could be a bearish to sideways days. I was not expecting much points from here because already it has covered 100 points. This is the first candle and 20 30 points on the top and 30 40 points. Totally it was 200 points. I was expecting another 150 points only from here and we could have ended our day. Though the first trade SL hit, second trade we could have come out with no loss, no profit. So here we could have exited and we could have closed our day. So but our misfortune, it again took back, supported and again it came down here. It took our portfolio SL. On the fourth attempt it break down and gave a 150 points move over here. So not an issue, such things keep happening in the market. It is our only discipline and commitment that keeps us driving through all these kinds of phases. Okay. So see you in the next learning video. Till then, a very good bye.